Autodesk AutoCAD Plant 3D is a powerful software used in various industries such as oil and gas, petrochemical, and pharmaceuticals to design and create detailed plant layouts and 3D models. This software offers advanced tools that enable users to enhance their productivity and efficiency in plant design. The AutoCAD Plant 3D course is designed to provide in-depth knowledge and skills required to successfully use this software. The course covers a wide range of advanced topics that delve into the setup and customization of the software. Participants in the AutoCAD Plant 3D course learn how to create custom equipment, piping specifications, and catalogs. They also gain expertise in creating complex piping and equipment layouts using various methodologies. Additionally, the course covers topics such as creating and managing project data, generating isometric drawings, and utilizing project collaboration tools. By mastering AutoCAD Plant 3D, professionals can improve their ability to visualize and communicate their design ideas. This software enables them to identify potential clashes and errors early on, ultimately saving time and costs during the construction phase. In conclusion, the AutoCAD Plant 3D course provides essential knowledge and skills that equip professionals with advanced capabilities in plant design and customization. By leveraging the power of this software, users can enhance their productivity, create accurate designs, and streamline project workflows.